So welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be considering the review of one IPO that is currently open for subscription. So the IPO I'll be considering is Medi Healthcare Limited. So the IPO is actually open for subscription from January 15 and closed for subscription today, that is 17 January. So the allotment is expected to finalized on 18 January and the listing is expected on 22nd January. So IPO price band is from 397 to 418 per share, and the minimum lot size for is 35 shares, and the minimum amount required for retail investors 14,630 rupees. So regarding this company, this is the entire issue is actually an offer for sale, and the company is actually shares offered is 84 lakh shares in the anchor, regarding this company, Medi Healthcare Services Limited, it was incorporated in June 2002. So it is a health tech and insurance tech company that actually manages health benefits for employers, retail members, and public health schemes, primarily serving insurance companies. So they actually offer medical insurance and cashless hospitalization through a network of healthcare service providers. So the company acts as a mediator. It acts as a TPA between general and health insurance companies and insured members, and the insurance companies and healthcare providers such as hospitals and government and beneficiaries of public health schemes. And Medi Healthcare collaborated with 36 insurance companies in India and worldwide as on 31st March. So the revenue generated by the retail portfolio in FY 21-22 and FY 23 are 494 million rupees, 579 million rupees, and 570 million rupees. The amount collectively constitute 15%, 14.7%, and 11.2% of the total revenue from the customer contract for the same years. It has established a healthcare network across India with 14,000 hospitals, with a network having a network of 14,000 hospitals in 967 cities and towns in 32 states and union territories. The company settled 5.27 million claims in FY 23, comprising 2.44 million inpatient claims and 2.383 million outpatient claims. So regarding the financial performance of this company, so they have actually had a revenue of 345 crores in FY 21 with a net profit of 38 crores. And it increased to 412 crores in FY 22 with a net profit increase to 63 crores. It further increased to 518.96 crores and the net profit increased to 75 crores. And for the first half, the revenue is actually 312 crores and the profit after tax is 45.26 crores. So there was a one-time hit for the first quarter on account of some amortization expenses, one-time expenses. So the actual profit is around 24 crores only, but they expect it's actually likely to report very good results in the for the subsequent quarters. And overall, the company is actually growing revenues from 38 crores. It is likely to report over 80 crores revenues this year. So the company is actually growing. Its net worth is over 400 crores currently, and most of the brokers regarding the analysis by brokers, most of the brokers are subscribed rating on this IPO, and as many as 5 brokers have 7 brokers, 5 brokers are subscribed rating on the IPO and 2 have a neutral rating. And regarding the review by Dilip Davda, he has a subscribe rating on this IPO in the website chittorgarh.com, and it is mentioned that it is a leading TPA in insurance sectors within it plays and offers technology-based services. It posts steady growth in top line and bottom line. It actually posted a downtrend in H1 FY24 attributed to accounting adjustment through recent acquisition, and the management is confident of returning to track in the coming 2 quarters. The investors can actually park funds for the medium and long-term worth. Regarding this company, they mentioned there is an incorporated that it actually operates its business through through the company Medi Healthcare Services Limited, which is a holding company, and it actually has 9 subsidiaries, 4 are direct subsidiaries, 5 are indirect subsidiaries. It provides third-party administration services to insurance company through its folio subsidiary Medi TPA, Medi Advantage TPA, and Raksha TPA. And the third-party administrator is an organization that provides healthcare insurance claim for insurance companies to provide services such as policy administration, customer service, and network management, among others. So as a TPA, the company acts as a facilitator between the insurance companies and policy holders, the insurance companies and healthcare providers such as hospitals, government and beneficiaries of public health insurance schemes. Its subsidiaries Medi TPA and Med Advantage TPA contribute to 96.32% of revenue from the contracts with the contract customers in FY 23, and subsidiaries Medi TPA, Med Advantage TPA contribute 92.28% revenues with contracts for customers in 6 months ending September 23. Medi TPA has a market share of 14.83% of the retail health insurance market and 41.71% of the group health insurance market, and a cumulative retail and group segment share of 33.67% serviced by the third-party administrators. So it managed over 14,574 crores of insurance premium at the end of FY23, having a growth of 34.67 crores from 7,918 crores at the end of FY21. So it is actually posting good increase in the number of health insurance premium managed for the clients and it is actually worked with 35 insurance companies in India and globally, and it also facilitates other healthcare and ancillary services, hospitalization services, call center services, customer license and contract management and billing services, and claim processing services to the companies and subsidiaries like Mayfair India, Mayfair UK, Mayfair Group Holding, Mayfair Philippines, and Mayfair Singapore. So they have subsidiaries in UK, Singapore, and Philippines also, where they provide insurance healthcare services. So they have it has developed a pan-India healthcare network with comprising 18,754 hospitals across 1,069 cities and towns and 31 states. And India network of 141 countries globally. So they have presence in 141 countries globally. So that actually shows the good reach of this TPA company. And its technology-driven infrastructure and services are custom built and assist various stakeholders such as insurance companies, health hospitals, insurance brokers, and insurance agents, and companies also serves as individual insurance policy holders, and it actually manages 78.57 billion of premium for the retail health insurance market, representing 5.06% of the overall health insurance market. And it actually have a subsidiary Mayfair UK. It is a global benefit administrator based in UK, has a track record of over 2 decades in managing healthcare providers members across the globe, with a client base comprising several multinational organizations. Mayfair UK works with Indian and global insurers and manage members across 140 countries in 6 months ended September 23. So as on March 23, it serves to 15 government-sponsored insurance schemes covering 177.53 million lives. It has the company serves its insurance client group accounts and insurance members through its network of 97 branches across 18 states in India. As on September 23, it has engaged 6,219 personnel, out of which 4,840 personnel are full-time employees and the balance are contract employees. So it is actually have wide branch network, and it actually have a tie-up with the most of the insurance companies. So and has subsidiaries in many different countries like UK, Philippines, and have a large number of customers in these countries. So altogether, this company is actually one of the most profitable and established TPA in this country. So this is actually coming with an IPO at 397 to 418 per share. So the real book running lead manager for this IPO is Access Capital and IFS Securities and Nuvama Wealth Management, SBI Capital Markets, and linked in terms of register for this issue. And the after the issue, the post IPO paid capital will remain the same as 34.43 crores, and the company is trying to command a market cap of 2,878 crores. And regarding the financial performance already mentioned by me. So as mentioned by me earlier, it marked a setback for H1 of FY24 on account of surge in spite of surge in the top line. It posted a total income of 312 crores, net profit of 24 crores against a total income of 248 crores and net profit of 36 crores. So actually, according to the management, the account of higher provisions and depreciation and amortization expenses as well as other expenses and adjustments and recent acquisition, net profit declined in H1 of FY24. Once the required adjustments settled, the bottom line will shot up in the coming 2 to 3 quarters. And as per the restated financial data, excluding the amortization and other adjustments, profit after tax stands at 45 crores. So altogether, the company is doing well. And the price earning multiple based on the FY24 half year earnings is 31.79. The issue appears fully priced. So there are no listed peers to compare with, and they actually have a good dividend policy. Also, they paid a 50% dividend FY22 and 37% FY23. And there are the conclusion is that the company is a unique player in the TPA business and insurance segment. Scope for binding the more healthcare business being to the raising awareness. Company will be back on track after the recent acquisitions and post listing. The company will attract fancy as a customer segment. Investors may embark on for the medium and long term in the same industry. So regarding this IPO, considering that this actually have a good tie-up with insurance companies and have a large increase, considering increasing the revenues and have subsidies in many other countries. So I am actually feel that this company is worth applying at the current levels. So the issue is already oversubscribed around 2 times at the end of the second day. So it is likely to be oversubscribed many times at the end of the last day, that is today. So I am planning to apply for this IPO. So, and regarding the grey market premium, currently it is actually currently having grey market premium 44 rupees. So the listing is expected at around 450 to 460 levels. So, and I am actually so if you are actually also convinced about the future prospects of this company, you can also considering IPO, investing in this IPO after seeing the research report of other brokers like BP Equities, Wealth, Canara Bank Securities, etc. You can also consider in the apply if you are actually convinced about the prospects of this company.